Hey guys, it's Erica, the community manager here at the Broadview. I just wanted to touch base on your dishwasher in your apartment. This is in every one of the apartments. So I just wanted to kind of explain how this works, first of all. So all you're gonna do is you're going to pull on this handle, and that is what opens the dishwasher. You have a start button and you have a delay start. So these are some buttons for controlling your dishwasher. And then this is a dishwasher pod that is used to clean the dishes. So what you do is open this compartment, put it in there, close it, and then start. And you're all good. And then this compartment is for like a dish shine liquid that goes in there. So that's optional. If you don't want to use that, you don't have to, but that's how to use your dishwasher.